my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jane. Karibu sana. My channel is about motherhood, thrifts and finds, and beauty. Today's video is really short. I just want to show you how I transformed two amazing frames that I thrifted recently into beautiful works of art that I can actually use in different areas within my space. So let me know down below if it was a win or a lose, or if any other areas that you think I can improve on changing frames. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy. So these are the frames that I've thrifted. There are two. I got them from Don Home. I really like the design and also the shapes of it. The smaller one and also the bigger one. And then I had already printed out the designs that I wanted to use on the frames, which, as you can see, look very pretty even before placing them inside the frames. So yeah, I just went on ahead and measured the size of the frame, which helped me also know that the printout that I needed to come out with that would fit correctly inside the frame. As you can see, it's actually a reused paper, saving on paper. So yeah, then once I was satisfied with the size, I just went on ahead and removed the clips from behind the frame, which was very easy to do. And then after removing the back part, that's how I added the picture inside. It came out really perfectly. I love the size. I love how the black, bold, brave, brilliant, beautiful part just seems to pop out of the frame. After I was satisfied with how this frame looks, which you can actually use on top of your books, you can place it, you can even place it, I would place it in my daughter's room if I had a daughter, because just to remind her how black and brave and bold and brilliant and beautiful she is. But right now I'm currently using it for myself. After I was satisfied with how this looks, I went on to the second frame, which actually has a good message. It says God is love. But I didn't want to use it the way I bought it. I had bought it with the plan of transforming it into something else. Yeah, so I went on ahead and did the same process, and look how pretty and beautiful this has come out. Very white, very clean. It has a beautiful message. It reminds me that I need to dream a little bigger, darling. Yeah, so if you like how this turned out, please subscribe to my channel, follow me, turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.